Everyone, this is Jane here, just here to show you some bits that I've been working on, and just an apology really for not being here very frequently, certainly not since Christmas. So I really hope that you've had a good time and the holidays were nice. I know we're kind of halfway through January now, so lots of us have, tree down and we've forgotten about it. But I hope you had a good time anyway. So I've been working on some journals for Valentine's Day. I've been really low on energy, so I've not really had the energy to do the filming, and I know that sounds mad, but it is, it's a thing. I have to set all the camera up and do all of that stuff, and sometimes just don't have the energy to do that. And the predominant reason that I do my journals is like for my own mental health, and I do love doing the videos and I love popping the things on my Etsy shop, but I don't want to lose sight on the main reason that I do these is to look after my own mental health. So sometimes I just want to get stuck into making some stuff and not think about talking about it or filming it or whether I'm going to sell it or not. So that's why I've been away for a little bit. I have been working on these two, so I'll talk about this one in a sec. Let me just pop him over there. I'm working on this biggie at the moment, and it's going to just be single signature squishy. I'll talk more about that a different day, because my plan is to actually do some of the decorating of this on film. So I'll try to film it and then I'll have stuff put up that is actually doing some craft rather than just flipping through something that's already finished. So that's that one, and we'll be working on that shortly. But that's coming up, won't be long. This one is finished, more or less. I might just do a few little finishing touches on it. But for the most part, it is finished. So I'll just quickly flip through it and show you. So it's a Valentine's, sort of a grungy, dark Valentine, slightly gothy style Valentine journal. So it's my usual stage. It's my usual thing. It's made out of a tea box. All of that has been done, and it's got its usual little bookmark thing in it. I did all the edges of my signature covers with a new stamp that I got for Christmas from my brother, and it's made really nice edges, so I'm really pleased with that. But this is just very lightly decorated, and I'll just flip through it really quickly, just so you can see roughly what it's like. It's got bits of purple in there, bits of red, bits of black. There's lots of little bits of ephemera and stickers and stuff tucked away in the pockets. It's the usual style that I do. I really enjoyed doing this. I did it with some, I can never remember what it's called. It's like modelling paste stuff that you can put onto a surface and then put a stencil and then put the paste over the surface and you get the imprint. And with that one, I did mix it up with some of this distress stain, but I also, once the stencil was on it, I actually sprayed the stain directly onto the image, so you can see there's lots of like little areas of darker red on the other one. So I really enjoyed doing that. That was fun to just see how that turned out. So I've got little bits and pieces here tucked into little pockets, little stamps and stencils. A little charm there. But this is virtually finished. I literally may just put a couple of little finishing touches to it. Maybe some liquid pearls or something like that here and there. But on the whole, we're done. You've got some pages that have got a bit more heavy coverage, so you could write over that, or you could use some of the ephemera to make like a collage of your own. So there's room here to make, you know, your own designs, your own artwork. So I try not to overfill them too much, so that there's always room for you to put your own touches on, or for whoever buys it to put their own touches on. But it's been fun. I've enjoyed doing this one. It's been good. I enjoy doing them all, actually, to be honest. I don't really just design things to sell them, or just do things that I know will sell in the shop. Although, you know, I do have to say a massive, great big thank you, because I've literally sold my shop out this year. So they are popular, and I really, really appreciate anybody that's watching this that's bought one of my journals. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate the support, and I'm really happy that you like them. So I'll be making lots more this year, but they'll be done kind of slowly and steadily, because, like I say, these are things that I do to look after my mental health, and I don't want to sort of create I don't know, just a chain of the same thing. I want to really sort of use them to express myself, and also to kind of help me to relax and help me with my anxiety and stuff like that. Creative something, working on art projects really, really helps with all of that kind of thing for me. So that's predominantly what I'm doing them for. And it's just a nice little side effect is that people like them and that they sell. So thank you so much if you are somebody that's bought them, or if you've looked at my Etsy store. If you haven't had a chance to look at my Etsy store, I'll put a link to it in the description. Please do have a look. Even if you have no intention of buying anything, or you just like watching and these things because it helps you to inspire to make your own, and that's perfect. But if you wouldn't mind just liking the store or liking some of the items on it, it really helps the store to get seen by other people. So that, and it costs you absolutely nothing to do. And if you would like and share the videos on my YouTube channel as well, that really helps, because that all helps with the algorithm and all of that nonsense that I don't understand, but I'm told it helps. So please, if you wouldn't mind doing that, that would be lovely. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all soon with something a little bit more crafty. Thank you very much. Bye for now.